Next Mendelian disorder is phenylketonuria. It is an inborn disorder and it shows extreme mental retardation in children. The individuals, they are homozygous recessive and they lack a enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. This enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase is required to convert phenylalanine into tyrosine. In normal individuals, phenylalanine gets converted into tyrosine in the presence of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. But individuals suffering from phenylketonuria, they are unable to produce this enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. As a result, this phenylalanine, it accumulates in the body tissue and it damages the brain. And a part of it gets converted into phenylpyruvic acid, which is excreted in the urine. The affected baby, it appears normal at birth, but within few weeks phenylalanine level in the plasma rises, and at the age of 6 months the child shows symptoms of extreme mental retardation. Now, the other symptoms along with this severe mental retardation are, they are eczema, that is a skin disorder, and hypopigmentation. Hypopigmentation means less color of the skin or less presence of the skin pigment melanin. Another disorder is alkaptonuria. Alkaptonuria is also inborn metabolic disorder. In this disorder, the urine turns black as soon as it is passed outside the body. That is the blackening of urine on exposure to air and the darkening of certain cartilages. We know that cartilages are present at the tip of the nose. They are present in the cartilaginous rings, in the windpipe. They are present in external ear, that is pinna. The cartilages, they also turn black in alkaptonuria. Now, urine, in normal person, what happens? In normal person, homogeneticic acid, it gets converted into the compounds and these compounds, they enter into the Krebs cycle and ultimately they are converted into carbon dioxide and water. Means homogeneticic acid in the presence of enzyme homogeneticate oxidase. In the presence of this enzyme, homogeneticic acid ultimately gets converted into carbon dioxide and water. First of all, it is converted into compounds, some compounds which enter into Krebs cycle and ultimately get converted into carbon dioxide and water. But the person suffering from alkaptonuria, they lack this enzyme homogeneticate oxidase. So this homogeneticic acid, it accumulates in the body and it is excreted in the urine, and this homogeneticic acid, which is also known as alkapton, it combines with oxygen. As soon as the urine is passed outside the body, it comes in contact with oxygen and it forms a black color pigment which also gets deposited in the cartilages of ears and nose, especially at the nose tip. That's all for the today.